At Powers Taylor, we know firsthand what it is like to be the victim of a bike or pedestrian accident. I was hit by a car while cycling, and the driver of the car ran a stop sign. After spending several days in the hospital, I gained a whole new perspective on these types of injuries. Many injuries that occur to cyclists and pedestrians are caused by the inattention or negligence of drivers who fail to realize that they share the road with others. Cyclists and pedestrians don't enjoy the same protections as vehicle drivers, with airbags and impact-absorbing bumpers. And as a result, automobile drivers are required under the law to stay alert and avoid causing unnecessary injuries to others. If you've been hit by a car or a truck while riding a bike, while jogging, or while simply taking a walk, and the driver was careless or negligent, you have the right to be compensated for your injuries. In addition, you may be entitled to compensation for your bicycle and other equipment. You need an experienced attorney who will fight for your rights. Give us a call today. Powers Taylor is here to help.